Alright, let's see if I'm right. I think I've got doobie and doobity-dee. Here's one. Hi, you. How can I tell if you're a male or a female? Alright. Then I swam over to the frog log times 8. I think that one knows how to get up and down from there. But I don't know if they know how to get up and down from the ball. So we'll bring that other one over here and see what happens. And this little segment is multiplied by 8. And here I am trying to coax one onto the frog log. Oh. I sped this up times 8 because of the 2 spiders on the frog log. Oh no! 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 Come on, what am I gonna do? There you go. No, go that way. Get on the frog log. That was an oops. All right. Dummy. Come on. There you are. No! You don't want to go in the skimmer. There you go. They obviously like the Poolside Oasis. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. There you go. Now I'm going to go get your partner. Times 8. Oh, come on. Come on. Go that way. No. Okay. They both made it back to terra firma. I can go have a margarita with Newsom now. Okay. What is it about tiger beetles and swimming pools? In 2007, I took this picture of a 6-spotted tiger beetle on the nature trail at North Hall Middle School. I photographed this one in Carrollton in July of 2012, the last swim in Mom and Daddy's pool. There are Carolina and Virginia metallic tiger beetles. This last picture is of a sand tiger beetle taken in 2019 on St. George Island.